everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacations. Now, welcome back to our Value Education class. Today, we are going to discuss Lesson 3, Finding Solutions. And let us read the quote first. Difficulties are opportunities to better things. They are stepping stones to greater experience. When one door closes, another always opens. As a natural law, it has to balance. It is said by Bryan Adams. Okay. The above famous quote by Bryan Adams tells us that one must view hardships as opportunities to gain new experiences. Means even there are obstacles or something hard situations going in your life, you must see that as an opportunity to learn new experiences. Okay, from these hard situations or hardships, you learn your own experiences. You get an experience of solving the problems, okay, or solving those situations, and you get an opportunity to how to gain new experiences, okay, or how to find out solution to that, okay. And when one path gets blocked, another path shows the way, okay. Now children, in this lesson we are going to study the values of problem solving, courage, determination and perseverance. Okay, children, you must never be afraid of the problems. You should always prioritize your goal for every challenge. Proceed in such a way that one must view hardships as opportunities to gain new experiences. Now children, one of the problems which you mostly face is during the exams, okay, and that how will I complete this exam, how will I study if I don't know, okay. So you try to solve this problem. How you will try to solve this problem? By studying hard, okay. You study hard for that, okay. You study every day. Some children do not study every day. Some children study weekly once, or some children study before the exams, but they try to face the situation and try to compete for the exam, okay. Now children, as you can see an example of a farmer also, okay. The farmer he works hard to grow crops, okay. They have to face this problem with courage and solve this problem, okay, and with perseverance, okay, they will have to overcome it, okay. Time to start. Haven't you heard someone say, that's a big problem, it's beyond me to take it, or someone else a sigh of relief and remark, "Thank God, it's all over. I've solved the problem." Okay. To the schoolgoer, examinations are a big problem, and of course, the daily homework to complete. To the parents, it is the rising prices and having to manage within the budget. Everyone faces problems in daily life. Some of them are overwhelming. Overwhelming means burdened. Okay. Particularly when they come upon you suddenly, like an avalanche. Avalanche means a snow which rushes down from the slopes of the mountains of snow. Okay, it's like a snowfall. Some of the problems are general, which almost everyone would be facing in the daily life activities. A bus breakdown just when you are rushing to keep an appointment, power failure when you are immersed in work, or a setback in health because of which all your plans go awry. Okay, here children, only the problems which you face are mentioned here. Okay, like the school goer faces a problem during the exams, or parents are facing problems when there is a rise in prices or having to manage within the budget. Okay, to buy some things from the shop, or while taking the admissions of yours also in the school, or starting some new shopping. Okay, and even in our daily activities we feel or face many problems. Okay, and like they here it is said that a bus is missed by someone when he has appointment with the doctor, or there is a power failure when a person works on the laptop or somewhere, or there is a setback in the health and by which all the plans go failed. Okay, and if the problem is solved, then we say that thank God, it's all over, I have solved the problem. And if it is not solved, then we say that that's a big problem, it's beyond me to take it. Okay, now come to the next part, children. However, one must remember that problems are part of routine life. If there were no problems, there would be no challenges, and without challenges, the best qualities in a person, such as courage, determination, perseverance, tolerance, and the focus on the goal to succeed, will never get to be known. Do you remember the song, "We Shall Overcome"? It was the most powerful song of the 20th century with the influential words in English language. It inspired one of the greatest freedom movements in the US history. It reflects the optimism of the sections of the people in the USA who had been severely discriminated against in many spheres of life, and who strove for decades to win the right to equality with everyone else. And today, there is democratically elected African American President Barack Obama to govern the country. One should clearly understand that there is no point in fearing problems, and that they must be squarely faced. Meeting problems face to face means understanding them clearly, planning on how to resolve them, and learning from experience. Now, here, children, there are problems shown which we are facing. Okay, but we have to face these challenges or problems. Okay, and if there were no problems, we would not have learned the qualities like courage, determination, perseverance, tolerance, and focus on the goals to succeed. Okay, and here children, it is said that, have you heard or remembered the song that is We Shall Overcome? It was also an inspirational song which inspired many people, and it also inspired greatest freedom movements in the US history. Okay, and today also, now the country is democratic, and it has elected the African American President Barack Obama to govern the country. And we should understand that we should not be afraid or fearful of the problems, and they must be squarely faced. Okay, and meeting problems face to face means understanding them clearly, and you must plan to resolve those problems. The two stories given in the lesson are the descriptions such as experiences. The first story is about the problems a student faces today when on the threshold to a career education. The other story is a true life situation of how even a forsaken woman of meager means can take on the problem in life and succeed. You have pointers before you that direct on how integrity, determination, and grit will help you overcome some of the toughest problems in life.